Hey, good morning. Hey, so the ability for it to slide in. So actually, not just the ability. So when you think about 3D printing, you often think along the lines of like, what's the bottom layer? So what's the first layer that's going to be printed, and then as it's printed, how does it come up? And so when you look at like parts, it's really important to make sure that you have an idea, like you actually know exactly how it's going to be printed out from pretty much like before you even start on it. This is like a brand new thing, and so you're just trying to figure it out. So like some of the things like on this design right here, there's a thing called overhangs, and overhangs are, let's say that we started printing from this direction right here, and we print it up, right? So as we print up, poor internet connection. So as we print it up, right, starting at the very bottom, this was the bottom right here, the bottom of the printer, and it printed up. You can see as it goes up, it's going to be fine for along here, up, 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 up. But then when it gets into this like this screw hole, right, when it gets onto the top of it, you might have some sagging. So then if you had some sagging, then when you went to put in the screws, it's not going to work so well. And then on this one over here, right, we have this these overhangs for all these pins right here. So like how are those going to be put into there? And so if they're 3D printing them, those won't 3D print out properly. So you have to be really mindful about how much overhang that you have. And so normally what I'll do is I'll put a fillet around these, and then I'll make these only about